Hello, my name is Ellie. I will read a short story called The Frogs Who Wish for a King, written by Aesop. A long time ago, in a quiet pond, lived many frogs. They could swim, jump, and croak all day. There were no rules. No one told them what to do. But soon, the frogs got bored. They said, "We need a king, someone to lead us." The frogs prayed to Jupiter, the god of the sky. "Please give us a king," they said. "We want someone to guide us." Jupiter heard their prayer. He smiled and said, "All right." Jupiter threw a big log into the pond. The frogs got scared. They all jumped underwater and hid. They thought it was a big, scary king. But after some time, one frog looked up, then another. They saw the log. It just floated. It didn't move. It didn't speak. Soon the frogs came back. They jumped on the log. They laughed. "This king does nothing." After a few days, the frogs said, "We want a better king. This one is too quiet." So they asked Jupiter again, "Please give us a real king, someone strong." This time, Jupiter sent a stork, a tall bird with long legs and a sharp beak. At first, the frogs were happy. "He looks like a real king," they said. But then the stork opened his beak and ate a frog, then I ate another and another. The frogs were scared. They ran and hid again. They cried, "Help! Our king is eating us." They prayed to Jupiter, "Please take him away. We want the log back." But Jupiter said, "You asked for a real king. Now you must live with him." Moral of the story: the frogs who wished for a king teach a timeless lesson about gratitude, contentment, and the consequences of our choices. The frogs lived freely in their peaceful pond, but they were not satisfied. They asked for a king, thinking life would be better with a ruler. When given a quiet, harmless king, they complained. When given a powerful one, they were terrified. This story reminds us to be careful what we wish for. Not all change leads to improvement. Sometimes we ask for more without understanding what we might lose. Power without kindness can be dangerous. And freedom is often more valuable than we realize. We must think before we act, speak, or demand. Life isn't always about getting more, it's about recognizing the good in what we already have. True wisdom is choosing peace even when it feels ordinary. Be grateful, be wise, and learn to value the quiet blessings around you. Thank you for listening to The Frogs Who Wished for a King, read by Ely. Please like and subscribe for more stories.